set here.
He's good.
We have,
He's good.
Check this out, a Tuscan minestrone. We've got about 7 or 8 different types of beans. We've got some chopped tomatoes. We've got celery, the holy trinity, celery, onion, carrots. We've got a nice broth that we've been sort of, in the background here. Some bay leaf, and let's demonstrate. We got an eco-biodegradable plate, because over here at the VENETO Cycling Club we support our green thumbprint. I'm Patricia. You're gonna ladle that on. Make sure you get a bit of everything, a bit of the pasta, a bit of the beans. Then the guys were saying, how do we fix this up? So we start off with a little bit of Parmesan cheese.
Just a little.
Just
Don't overdo it.
Just a little. And this is what happens. We take beautiful Italian prosciutto from the northern region of Italy. We caramelize it.
Sardignella, right?
Sardignella, we've been there, right?
Yes.
It's a prosciutto from Sardignella region to celebrate our Veneto roots. We've crisped it up in the oven, chopped it up fine. We're gonna top that on top. And then what happens is we finish that off with a bit of garlic toast.
That's
And
the
that's
secret.
how we do it here. Right on, right there. And then Joe Puzzlebone, where are you? You get the first one.
Okay.
Congratulations. Thank you.